There's a calculus to the way you look through me now, like I'm a question already answered and filed away. I can pinpoint the exact moment gravity let go. When your mouth said my name, but forgot how it used to sound. I'm searching for the coordinates, the how where I cease to matter. When did I become the medicine you no longer needed after? I equal nothing in your new constellation. A star you stop wishing on, stop seeing at all. I was your gravity, now I'm not. The empty space where I used to pull, unmade, unnamed, uninvited from your mouth. I'm the love you stop pronouncing, phased out. You don't even flinch when someone says my name anymore. I'm just a song you skip, a story you don't tell. I'll watch you build tomorrow in a color I can't see, painting over canvases where I used to breathe. I'm drowning in the absence of the weight I used to hold. When did I become the fever that finally broke, turned cold? I equal nothing in your new constellation. A star you stop wishing on, stop seeing at all. I was your gravity, now I'm not. The empty space where I used to pull, unmade, unnamed, uninvited from your mouth. I'm the love you stop pronouncing, phased out. Teach me the alchemy of turning flesh to vapor, how you made me less than air without lifting a finger. Just know I can feel myself evaporating. Less than the scar, less than the dream you had once, just the shape of smoke after the fire's been forgiven. I'm still breathing, still breathing. Can you feel me through the distance? I was real, wasn't I? Or did I just imagine? I equal nothing in your new constellation. A star you stop wishing on, stop seeing at all. I was your gravity, now I'm not. The empty space where I used to pull, unmade, unnamed, uninviting your mind from your mouth. I'm the love you stop pronouncing, phased out. In the story of your future,